Welcome to another episode of Ask Dr. Mays Anything.
Hi, my name is Pablo. I am a 5th grader in Oak Springs. Is there any chance there could be a consideration for spring baseball for middle school?
So Pablo, I actually appreciate you asking the question because I would love to host softball and baseball for middle school students. Unfortunately, we have limited fields, and those fields are literally being used all day long by the high school students. And so it would be really difficult for me to, almost impossible for me to accommodate the 19 middle schools given the limited fields that we have.
Is the common applications open? When is the deadline for my mom to submit it?
The common application for specialty programs is open. We're looking at pre-K programs, fine arts programs, dual credit programs, P-TECH. So it opens October 17th and it closes January 13th. The goal is for everybody to take advantage of all the programs that we have here in Austin ISD, and that's the easiest way to do it is to go and fill out that webpage, and you can then take advantage of all of the variety of programs that we have here. Which program are you thinking about doing?
The magnet program.
The magnet program?
This question is from a parent. My child saw someone was getting bullied in school. What should my child do when this happens again?
First off, we don't want to see any students get bullied. If a child sees something, then they can always say something to their teacher or the principal. If a parent isn't comfortable with going to the school to say something to the principal, then they can also take advantage of less talk, because we don't want anybody on our campuses being bullied.
See you next time on Ask Dr. Mays Anything.